Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to install Arogya Sethu and how to register in it and how can you get the latest updates on COVID-19. So first you have to do is go into the Play Store, search for Arogya, yeah, the first option, install it. Yeah, open it. Yes, please select your language. I'll select English. If you want, you can select Hindi or Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, Kannada, and so many languages are there. The Indian regional languages. And here you can just skip it. Skip it. Here you can register now. Yes, you have to give it is a recommendation that you have to give the location of your device and Bluetooth should be switched on and data sharing will be there, means regarding your health, everything, activities you are doing, everything. So allow only while using the app. You have to give this option so that every time the location will not be switched on. So I agreed, allow, give the number. So you can just give your details like name, place where you live, and what is your age, and if you have traveled internationally, and you can give all access or all details, and you can register in it. And here, see, you are safe. So I'm safe at a particular this time. So and here in your area, you can check if anyone is got means like positive and he's like recovering or he is in quarantined, like that. And for COVID updates you can just click on this option so that you can get each and every state update all over across the India. It's like 29,435 today. Actually 1,275 cases raised and recovered 507. That's a good thing about India. Yeah. And for the e-pass, if you want to go outside and you need a e-pass, then you have to click this and you have to get it. For me it's showing like no e-pass available. So if your means like your e-pass is issued, then it will be given here. And it's asking for something. No samples have been collected from me. So that's it. Thank you.